siya. Dementia is diagnosed through a screening process. So we have several tests that we use to screen those who we think are manifesting early symptoms of memory loss or memory problems. And then, together with that, there is also an observation that the patient or the person can no longer take care of herself. Yung kunyari, makakalimutin nga, pero maya-maya, hindi lang yon. Hindi na niya alam kung paano niya timplahin yung kanyang kape, no? O kaya hindi na siya marunong magsuot ng medyas, nakalimutan yung isang medyas or magkaiba ang kulay or maya-maya ay hindi na niya alam kung naligo na ba siya o hindi. Kaya 3 days na siya hindi naliligo, 'di ba? Ganyan. Or most of the time it's their performance on the job, no? Some of the coworkers start to notice that the person can no longer effectively or efficiently perform the job that he used to be able to do well, no? So yun yung talagang dementia. So if, for example, you have a loved one or you yourself are worried about some minor changes in your memory, go ahead, get yourself tested. That's the best way. Don't label yourself or don't label someone as having dementia. Get yourself tested by professionals who are trained to do it.
Full episode out now.